Hello students, today we will see fourth chapter simple equations. So we will see what is meant by equation. It is a condition on variable. What? It is a condition on variable. For example, 4x plus 9 is equal to 17. In the above example, x is the variable. Here x is what? X is the variable. So what is meant by variable? Variable means something that can vary. Vary means what? Change. Variable, this variable is changing. Okay. Something that can vary, and vary means what? Change. Understood everyone? And then what is meant by expressions? The expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables. Okay. Expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables. For example, 2x plus 7. Here addition is the process. Okay. X is the variable. Now this is known as equation. We will see what is meant by equation. See, simple equation or linear equation. So what is meant by the linear equation? Okay. So the linear equation is also known as the simple equation. So equation involving only one power of only one power of one variable is called linear equation. Understood? See here, x minus 7 is equal to 3. Here there is only one power, means what? Power is 1. Okay. And only one variable is there. X is only one variable. If there are two variables x and y, then there will be not linear equation. Therefore here is only one variable and only one power. It is known as the linear equation. X minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay. The value of x which makes the equation true. Okay. We have to find the value of x. See here. If we take this minus 7 to right hand side, x is equal to 3 plus 7. Then the value of x is equal to what? 10. So this value of x which makes the equation true is called the solution. Means what? 10 is the solution or root of the equation. 10 is known as solution or the root of the equation. Okay. Then what is meant by transposition? So this transposition means the process of shifting a number from one side to other side by changing the sign. Suppose see here, x minus 7 is equal to 3 as like just above example. Then we will shift this minus 7 to other side, means what? With sign. The process of shifting a number from one side to another side by changing the sign, means what? We have to change the sign. Minus 7 will shift to right hand side, then the sign become plus. So x is equal to 3 plus 7. So this process of shifting means minus 7 shifted to right hand side. This process of shifting is known as transposition. By changing the sign, minus 7 turned to plus 7. By changing the sign, this is known as transposition. Understood? Transposition is nothing but balancing either side of the equality. Okay. So see here in example 12x minus 5 is equal to 29. So we have to solve this equation. Means 12x is equal to this minus 5 will shift to right hand side with changing the sign. Means what? 29 plus 5. Understood? Then rules. We have to see some rules. Balancing, adding, for balancing, adding, subtracting, multiplication, division on both the sides. And here transposing process is there. See first example, 4x minus 9 is equal to 2. So the adding 9 to both the side, we have to add this 9 to both the side. Why we added 9 both the sides? Because see here minus 9 is there. Therefore we have to add 9 to both the side. Why? Because minus 9 plus 9 will get cancel. Therefore see here, adding 9 to both the sides. See 4x minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 2 plus 9. So minus 9 plus 9 0. So the 4x is equal to 11. In this side, transposing, the process of transposing means what? See, transposing minus 9 from left hand side to right hand side. Transposing. Okay. So 4x is equal to 2 plus 9. Minus 9 becomes plus 9. So or 4x is equal to 1. 9 plus 2, 11. Okay. Then the second example, 3x plus 6 is equal to 8. Subtracting 6 from both the sides. Why we subtract? Because plus sign is there. Therefore, we have to subtract. See, 3x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 6. So, 6 plus 6 minus 6 cancel means what? 0. Plus 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. 3x is equal to 8 minus 6. 3x is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Here, in this side, transposing process, 3x plus is equal to 3x plus 6 is equal to 8. So the transposing 6 means 8 minus 6. We have to do 3x is equal to 8 minus 6. So this plus 6 become minus 6. 3x is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. In the third process, 2x upon 3 is equal to 4. So multiplying 3 by both the sides. Why we multiply? Because the division process is there. If we multiply it by 3, then 3 will get 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Therefore here we have to multiply 3 both the sides. So 2x by 3 into 3 is equal to 4 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. The answer is what? 2x is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. So here in the transposing process, 2x upon 3 is equal to 4. So transposing 3, we directly transpose 3. If we transpose 3 to this side, then it will be multiplied. See, 1 by 3 is becomes 3. 2x is equal to what? 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So the 2x is equal to 12. Understood? So in the fourth example, 4x is equal to 8. Dividing by 4 both the sides. Why we divide? Because here multiplication process is there. We have to do opposite process. 4x upon 4 is equal to 8 by 4. Okay. So the 8 by 4 here 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the x is equal to what? X is equal to 2. Okay. Then see here 4x is equal to 8. Transposing 4. Directly transpose 4 to other side. Okay. So the x is equal to, if we transpose this 4, see 4 we transpose to this side. Here multiplying process is there. Then if we transpose to another side, means right hand side, it will be division process. See, x is equal to 8 by 4. 4 twos are 8. Okay. X is equal to 8 by 4. 4 twos are 8. So this why 4 becomes 1 by 4. Understood everyone? Now the next we have to solve the simple equations. Okay. From equation to solution. Understood? So example 1, 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Then we have to transpose this 3 to right hand side. Okay. So see 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. 4x is equal to, transpose this 3 to right hand side and the sign will be changed. 7 minus 3. 4x is equal to what? 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then see x is equal to, this 4 is multiplying is here. In the right hand side it will be divided. So x is equal to 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4. The answer is what? X is equal to 1. So how to check the answer? See, in the left hand side, take this left hand side, 4x plus 3. Okay, put the value of 1 in the x. X is equal to 1 here. Therefore, 4 into a 1 plus 3. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Then 7 is right hand side. It's equal to right hand side. Next, from solution to equation. Okay. Example 2. Construct two equations starting with x is equal to 2. Solution: x is equal to 2 is given. We have to construct equations. We have to construct two equations. See. So, how to construct the equation? See. Multiplying both the side by 3. You can multiply by 2 also. You can multiply by 4 also. But I have taken 3. Because see. If we multiply both the side by 3. See. 3x is equal to 3 into 2. So, 3x is equal to 6. Understood? This is the first equation. And if we add 4 on both the sides, 3x plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4. If we add 4 on both the sides, adding 4 on both the sides. Okay. So the 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. Hence, two possible equations are 3x is equal to 6 and 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. Understood? Example 3. Solve 0.5x plus 1.5 is equal to 2.5x plus 0.5. Say take similar term to one side. Okay, means this is the similar term 0.5x and 2.5x, because variables is there. X is the variable. Take these variables terms to one side and take these numbers to another side. See, 0.5x minus 2.5x. So the answer is what? Minus 2.0x. If we subtract this 2.5 and 0.5, 2.5 minus 0.5, 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. So the answer is 2.0. But the negative sign is the bigger number has the negative sign. Okay, therefore I have given the negative sign. So minus 2.0x is equal to, like this only, we have to do this subtraction. So the answer is minus 1.0. Okay, x is equal to minus 1.0 divided by minus 2.0. This minus 2.0 is multiplying here, and if we it will go right hand side, it will be divided. So minus minus will get plus. So the answer is what? Minus 1 upon minus 2, and minus minus will get plus. X is equal to 1 upon 2. Understood? Then fourth example, solve 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3x is equal to 15. So we have to take the LCM of both 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So 2 3s are 6. Here we have to multiply by 3. And 3 2s are 6. Here we have to multiply it by 2. So 3 into 1, 3. 3x. 2 into 1, 2. 2x is equal to 15. 3 plus 2, 5. 5x. Okay. Therefore, then 5x upon 6 is equal to 15. So 6 is dividing here. Therefore, if it will go right hand side, then it will be multiplying. 5x is equal to 15 into 6. 15 6 are 90. Okay. Here. Then if see, this 5 is multiplying here. If it will go right hand side, it will be divided. So x is equal to 90 upon 5. So the answer is what? X is equal to 18. 5 ones are 5. 5 is a 40. Understood everyone?